Good morning, I am Angie Barbosa, your travel advisor. It's your pleasure for me to show you this wonderful destination, tourist itinerary, meet the Ladrilleros Beach. Introductions of the place. Ladrilleros is a wonderful destination located in Buenaventura. It has beautiful and tropical forests generating rainfall with a temperature of 26 centigrades. From July to October, you can see the whales as they are going to have their young. You can also enjoy dishes, typical whales, visit to mangroves. The place had three starring hotels such as Blue House, Salamander, and Pacific Breezes. Duration of the trip. A packet of the 3 days and 2 nights is perfect. To carry of different activities is as soon as arrive the hotel, you register check-in. You can enjoy a sunny day on the beach. They waltz with the natives to places like the Laserper waterfall. You must visit the mangroves, doing kind of rides that lead to natural pool is a renowned tour. Also, night activities at the hotels such as bonfires, dancing with native music, activities to do. Taking a tour of the beaches de Buenaventura in a enriched plan. This includes Juan de Dios, Pianguita, La Bocana, taking advantage of the fact that these places combine highland and sea, giving the possibility in seeing biodiversity in flora and fauna. It is also possible to swim in the beaches or do sport fishing whilst getting to know the place, enjoy the culture. If you are not careful in the sea, you drown. Typical foods. The breakfast have protein sources. The egg that can be scrambled or well accompanied by arepa or bread chocolate or coffee. For lunch, you have preferable seafood with fish broth, banana rice with coconut, seafood, casserole. You can taste typical drinks such as bitter which the event organized in the Petroleum Festival, a restaurant Tumbacatre, consider aphrodisiac drink recommendation. If you have just eating and want to enter the seat, you must wait 15 minutes. Means of transportation. To get the ladrilleros, you must take a bus from the Cali to Buenaventura, and the boat leads from Buenaventura to Ladrilleros. Once you are at the beach, you can take canoes ride the mangroves or go to various beaches using boats. Recommendation: if you want to return home early, you must return by boat at 1 p.m. The packet offered for 3 days and 2 nights with food according to income will three 320,000 or 83.6 dollar with include maritime transportation, food and lodging. I know I can't believe it too, Einer.